The news.
He's coming to our house.
Yeah. So, bibisita Good morning. Say hi here, nak. Hi, everyone. Good morning from Ate Paris and Baby Celine. Welcome back to our channel. It is currently 10:30 in the morning and nasa labas kami. So Ate Paris doesn't have school today. So lalabas kami. Bibili lang pala kami ng kape ni Daddy Mike. So Daddy Mike is working from home again today. And we will get him his coffee kasi hindi siya nakalabas kaninang umaga. So kami na lang. Anak ko! Anak, that's 30, anak. That's 30. Ito sila, naka-breakfast na. Ito, naka-bath na nga to siya. Oh, niliguan ko na yan siya. So, fresh na yan kanyang dating yan. Nanak, no? Diyan kami bibili ng coffee ni Daddy Mike, guys. So, bar, cafe, and kebabs. I don't know, bisa barg or barge. Whatever, guys. Si Paris bit-bit ng kanyang tubig. What a good girl. Mahaba ng kanyang buhok. I love your hair, Paris. It's beautiful. This one here, matutulog na to siya ngayon. First the button, once only, okay? Yeah. Is there a poo? It's not a poo, Nakwe. It's not a poo.
What's that?
Something.
It looks like her a little bit.
No, it doesn't. It's a mud.
Mud. Yeah.
It's mud. Dito kami sa park, malapit sa bahay, guys.
Mommy.
Okay? Kasi ito siya ay Sleeping Beauty, which I think gising na, pero hindi pa siya relaxing mo. Are you okay?
Yeah, okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Just wipe. It's okay. It's just dirt, nak.
I get it off.
It's just dirt.
My friend, that was too fast from the mountain.
It's too fast from the mountain. Too fast from the mountain. Dili si Celine, oh. Do you think Celine can see us, nak? Go back there, nak, to Celine. Go back to Celine.
I'm gonna check if he's awake.
Okay. We'll see if she's awake.
Yes.
Yes?
They come up.
Hi! Hello!
What do you mean?
Ang ganda ng panahon ngayon, nak. It's not too hot, nak, ha?
Try to get me again.
Ate, it's not too hot today, yeah?
Yeah, try to get me.
It's beautiful,
Try to
guys.
get me
I think it's maximum 26 degree today.
Not to hit my phone. Try to get me. That's enough.
That's enough? Okay, my turn.
Okay, I'm just itchy.
Andiyan yung coffee ni Daddy Mike, guys. Oh. It's still a bit hot. Dinala ko muna yung mga kids dito sa park. Tsaka ako na dinala yung... Uy! Did you do? have a good nap?
Mommy.
Did you have a good nap? Mommy Barnaby.
Please so together.
Hi. Hello.
Together.
Huh?
So come.
Or how about you talk to Celine quickly? What's Ate doing, Nak? Buang. Buang. Ay, don't kick Ate Paris. No? Don't kick Ate Paris.
Few moments later.
Hi! Hala, yan nasang nakuha ang iyang kuan, oh. Dami, oh. Dami. Hi, princess. Hi, big girl. Ay, Daddy Mike's working, guys, ah. Ang ate Paris ay nandyan, nanonood ng kanyang... What are you watching, Nak? Ben and Holly. Kasi niya na, guys, ha? Ganyan talaga nangyayari kapag nasa bahay, ano? Nakalabas lahat. What happened? Okay. Yes, honey. Do you wanna come with Mama to the kitchen? I am cooking lunch. Hi. I am cooking lunch. Come here. Shh. Okay. Ngayon ko niya para hindi umiyak kasi ang kanyang daddy ay nasa phone. We're gonna have lunch too, okay? We're going to have lunch. Mommy is making ramen. I'm just gonna give Paris some loot. Okay. Alright then. If you wanna do that. So this is what I'm having for lunch. I'll just share with Paris. Tapos. And grapes. And then I'll give her some cheese. And kay babysitting natin. Tignan nyo. Ang liit-liit. This is sweet potato, carrots, and barley. Ayan. Nag-dede kasi yan siya, kaya konti lang yung ipapakain ko. Yes, ma'am. Tignan niya mukha, oh. Hi. I can see you from here. I can. Ang bilis talagang uminit nito, guys. Grabe. Kapag electric talaga. Boil ka agad. Boil ka agad, eh. This is my favorite. Gusto ko to, guys. Grabe.
Kinain mo, Mommy?
Buang.
Buang, Mommy. Mommy.
Kakagising lang ng ating
Hi, Mommy.
Silintot.
Mommy.
Yes, Nak.
Buang pupuma.
Buang ka.
Buang nga?
Buang ka.
Buang ka, Mommy.
Tingnan nyo, guys. So, hala, tingnan nyo kung ano hinahawakan yan, guys. Parang kanyang mami. Maganda ang tulog niya kapag nakahawak. Nak na? Nak na? Palangga ka na bata, eh. Uy. Sit down ikaw, Nak, be. Sit down ikaw, Nak. Is it now, Nak?
Free.
Not sure, maybe 3 or 4. Basta, late na ng hapon, guys, eh. Ang ating Daddy Mike ay nag-work pa rin. But, we just got a message from Paris's Lola, Karen, that, what's the news, Nak? the news?
He's coming to our house.
Yeah. So, bibisita ang Lola Karen ni Ate Paris at ni Baby Celine next month, guys. For 1 week. Oh, so exciting! So exciting! Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're very excited, guys. Say, when was the last time? December, nung umalis kami, guys. So, ilang buwan na rin. Ilang buwan na rin. And gusto nga namin pumunta din dito yung lola ni Daddy Mike, guys, tsaka yung lolo niya, pero medyo mahirapan tayo doon kasi kung nakita nyo na sila sa vlog natin noon, matanda na sila, diba? So kami na lang yung magbisita doon soon, hopefully. Yes, my love.
Can I go there and watch TV?
Yeah, you can go and watch TV.
On YouTube.
TV.
I won't be too long.
You won't be too long.
No, just in 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
No, 5 minutes. I mean, I haven't worked so much.
Ano daw?
I haven't moved so much. I was stepping like this, just like this. I haven't moved a lot.
So very excited kami, guys, kasi and also it's very exciting for Mike's mom as well kasi first time din niya dito sa Brisbane. So I know Mike's mom is Australian, 'di ba? Pero yung Brisbane daw ay isa sa mga state na hindi daw niya nabisita. So it's going to be really, really exciting, my love, 'di ba? So kailangan na talaga ay bumili kami ng single bed. So hanggang ngayon hindi kami nakabili ng bed ni Ate Paris, guys. At inaano namin minsan na lang next week, ganito ganyan, tapos naging busy. So last week pumunta ng wedding and hindi pa nga namin na-celebrate yung birthday ni Ate Paris, guys. So we're thinking about this weekend, pero we're not sure kasi nga yung panahon. Pag uulan ay there's no use of going there kasi punta kami ng Gold Coast. We'll see how it goes this weekend. It's only Thursday naman. Knock. Why are you crying, Knock? Why are you crying, Palangga? So yeah, kailangan namin bumili siguro. I don't know. We'll have a look sometime next week. Bili ng single bed para maano yung mami ni Daddy Mike. But Paris, Silini, what is going on? Okay, let's go watch TV with Ate Paris. Okay? Okay, my love. Okay. Palangga nga bata. It's now 6 o'clock in the evening, guys. And late natapos si Daddy Mark mag-work. Sobrang busy daw. 3 tao daw yung away sa trabaho nila. So, late siyang natapos. And then sabi niya, we will go for walkies with the kiddos. Hey! Kaya ayan, yan lang kami nakalabas. Medyo nabaguhan ako, guys, kasi alam nyo, it feels cold today. Sabi kasi nga, maximum 26 degrees. So maybe, Daddy, how many degrees do you reckon now? 23? Yeah. So it feels strange kasi I got used to, Brisbane being hot. Tingnan nyo, guys, sobrang ganda ng mga bahay nila dito. Daddy, have a look at that one. Yeah, it's okay. Yan talaga yung signature, Daddy, yeah? Signature Queensland house. Yeah. See? Tingnan nyo. Sobrang ganda ng mga dito ba. Very wide ang daan. Careful, Ate, ha. There might be some insect there, anak. Gusto niyang maglaro. Swing. Oh yeah, no. There will be mosquito though, Daddy. We don't want mosquito biting us.
Yeah, it's a mosquito with a really long nose.
That's right. It will sting you. Kasi kumpara dito, yan yung mga units lang din dyan. Hindi masyadong maganda tingnan. Mga bagong gawa lang yan, diba? Itong mga old talaga na mga bahay. Sobrang gandang tingnan, guys, diba? See, there? Ganyan klase mga bahay dito, guys. Careful! Daddy, it's very strange that they don't have any footpath, Baba. Do they?
don't see some
Oh, look, there's no footpath. So you have to go. Yeah? You have to go walk on the road. Kasi walang daan dyan, guys. Oh. Diba dapat sana may daan dyan. Sa gitna ka ng daan. Oh, this doesn't look really nice. Kumpara. Kino-compare ko lang, guys, na dun sa katabi na bahay. Yung mga original na Queensland houses. Ate Paris had a nap before. Ginising pa yan ni Daddy Mike. Preparing dinner now, guys. What's that, Daddy? Pork belly?
Yeah.
And the two girls are there. Ate Paris, let's see, babysitting. Anak, put the volume down a little bit na. It's too loud. Ito na.
What are you doing here? Let's hope you can make it. Oh no, I'm not worried.
So, nag-prepare na si Daddy Mike ng dinner ni Ate Paris. Sa labas kami kakain kasi maginaw. Ay, hindi maginaw. Talaga like cooler than the usual days. Okay? Give me that chocolate.
Yeah.
Cooked?
Test.
I think it needs more, eh?
Huh?
I think it needs more. Still red, see?
Oh.
Gagawa tayo ng iinumin ng ating ate. So, ito yung ginagamit ko ngayon instead of tawag din, yung prune juice. So, ito, mas nagugustuhan niya, guys. Mas naiinom niya lahat. Yung prune juice kasi, guys, is very strong ba? Yung lasa. So, mabuti pa to siya. Apple juice. I-mix yung kanyang I mean, hindi niya nahalata. Sinasabi niya sa akin last time na medyo may taste daw na tawag dito, gamot. Sabi niya. She still uses it. Dinner taste yummy. Oh, just luto ako ng kanin quickly para see, ganyan siya, guys. Oh. Pero pag nag-dissolve na siya, wala ka nang makikita ang puti-puti. Normal na lang siya. Why is it dark? Anay na siguro ni guys, what? Dahil yummy. What bubbles?
I want the bubble.
Ate Paris just brushed her teeth
So I
and
wash
washing
my
herself.
hands. Now where's mine? Where's the
Ang ating baby, where's baby Selena?
too bad?
Look at here now. The camera is here. Where's baby Selena?
Too bad.
Show me your teeth, babe. Here. Wow. Good job. Okay, wash your hands.
I really bubbles.
What bubbles?
The one got stick.
Hmm?
The stick when I found Kmart.
Tignan nyo ang salamin namin guys. Oh, nagkakaganyan. Kasi ito siya pag naghugas pa. Hinahawakan ang salamin. Oh, wash that one ako so we can put cream na. Tingnan nyo oh. Very sensitive talaga tong ating Ate Paris sa kanyang sunscreen. Bebe, kahit na yung binili namin na sunscreen is pang pang eczema ba? Meron pa rin ganyan. Hindi nag-work. Okay, calm down na.
Well, how about wash my hands?
Okay, wash your hands na. Finished? Finished?
Yeah. Guess who's here?
Kabihis na guys. Masutulog na yan siya.
And we're just brushing we brushed the teeth and we're brushing the teeth again.
Yeah.
Already.
Say goodnight, Tita Tito.
Good night, but we're just gonna go to bed. I bring this to school and I bring this to school.
Where did you get that from?
School.
Sure? Are you allowed to bring it home?
Yeah.
What did your teacher say?
He said I can have it home.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. You can have it. Do you want to use it tonight?
Yeah.
Say goodnight, Tito. Oh, you flying kiss.
Good night.
Thank you guys for watching today's video. Don't forget to give this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. See you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good and if you can.
Careful. Bye.